Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of our Lightworks version 14 tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television. Today we will be showing you how to trim and edit video clips in the preview screen, which is trimming and editing video clips in the preview screen. When you use this effect, you can change how the clip will look before you put it into the timeline, and it looks.
Hi, you have now edited me into the middle of the clip.
Just like this.
First, what you want to do is go into the Edit tab and place the red cursor on the timeline where you want to insert your clip.
Next, you want to double-click on an imported clip you want to insert into your video so it pops up into the preview screen.
If you don't want to trim the clip, you can just click Insert and it will insert into your timeline.
But if you do want to trim your clip before inserting it, put the red diamond cursor where you want your clip to start and click the End Mark button.
Finally, drag the red diamond cursor to where you want the clip to end and click the Out Mark button. Then, click Insert and you have inserted a trimmed clip into your timeline from the preview screen.
Here is the final product.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to trim and insert from the preview screen.
Bye. Thanks for watching.